Product number 1, Amazon Basics Basket Coffee Filters for 8 to 12 cup coffee makers wide 200 count. Product number 2, 3 pieces Crevice Cleaning Brush 2023 New Multifunctional Gap Cleaning Brush Tool, Bathroom Gap Brush, Grout Cleaner Brush, Hard Bristle Crevice Cleaning Brush. Product number 3, Meat Thermometer Digital MANVINS Instant Red Food Thermometer for grilling and cooking with backlight and calibration for outdoor barbecue grill liquids, beef, turkey. Product number 4, 3-inch 5 pounds full chlorine tablets, stabilized chlorine tablets for hot tubs, swimming pools and space, slow dissolving, individually wrapped. Product number 5, Christmas Advent Calendar 2023 Christmas Countdown Calendar for Kids, Adult 24 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar, 24 piece cute cartoon ELF figures, doll, Christmas vacation, stocking stuffer, gift idea. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and check out the description to find the product link.